How to start a business without money. Starting a business without money may seem challenging, but it is possible with the right approach and mindset. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. 1. Start small. Begin by offering your product or service on a small scale to test the market demand and refine your offering. Starting small can be a great strategy for launching a business, especially if you have limited resources. Start by identifying the minimum viable product, MVP, that you can offer to test the market demand for your product or service. This could be a simple version of your product or service with limited features. 2. Leverage free resources. Take advantage of free resources such as social media, online marketplaces, and business tools to promote and grow your business. Leveraging free resources is a great way to start and grow your business without spending a lot of money. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn are great tools to promote your business and reach your target audience. Create a business page, share engaging content, and interact with your followers to build brand awareness and increase engagement. 3. Build a network. Build relationships with other entrepreneurs, mentors, and potential customers to gain valuable insights and support. Building a network of like-minded individuals can be extremely valuable when starting and growing a business. Attend local business events, industry conferences, and networking events to meet other entrepreneurs and potential customers. Be prepared with your elevator pitch and business cards. Join online communities and forums related to your industry to connect with other professionals, ask for advice, and share your expertise. 4. Offer your skills and services. Offer your skills and services to others in exchange for their support, such as graphic design, social media management, or consulting. Offering your skills and services is a great way to build your business and gain valuable experience. Reach out to friends and family members and offer your services for free or at a discounted rate. This can help you build your portfolio and gain experience. Create a website to showcase your skills and services. This can help you reach a wider audience and provide potential customers with a way to learn more about your offerings. 5. Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a term used to describe starting and growing a business without external funding or support. Bootstrap your business by reinvesting profits back into the business, rather than taking out loans or seeking outside funding. Identify your essential business expenses and prioritize spending on the things that will help you grow your business. This can include marketing, customer acquisition, and product development. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.